Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Henry Perillo, and I will be your psychic uh, to uh, check or guess who will be the next pope. So I will be using my tarot cards, and let me check if I can also use my pendulum if as possible uh, to check what do you think uh, on spiritual level will be the next one. So first, I do have a tarot deck here, and then I'm gonna bless it. Okay, so I can get it prepped. Right. I do have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I do have here 7 handpicked popes that has highest possibility to be elected. So I'm gonna start first with Pier Battista Pizzaballa from Italy, a Latin Patriarch of Jerusalem. So let me check. I'm gonna pull up 4 cards first. Just shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. I'm gonna do it quick. So let me check the possibility. Pull up 4 cards. So I can see here the chances is 25%. Alright. Right? Our second candidate is Peter Erdo of Hungary, Archbishop of Istanbul, Budapest. Alright. I think I need to do it very quick, so maybe I will shuffle once next time. So I can see here 0% for Peter Erdo. And then the third is Luis Antonio Tagle of the Philippines, Prophet Rec, Dicastery of Evangelization. So let me just pull up here the cards. Check the chances. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see here 75% chances for Luis Antonio Tagle. Alright, our next cardinal is Timothy Dolan of USA, Archbishop of New York. So let me check what does the card say. They say cards don't lie. 50% for USA. Alright, Timothy Dolan. Right? And then our next cardinal is Pietro Parolin of Italy, Vatican Secretary of State. So let me check the cards. Okay. Got 50% for Pietro Parolin. Next is Peter Turkson of Ghana, former prefect and dicastery for promotion of international human development. So let me check. Probably an African pope if elected. I can see here 0%, so they're not ready yet. Again, and the last is Matteo Maria Suppi of Italy, Archbishop of Bologna. So let me just pull up here for cards. Okay, I can see here 75%. So contender is okay. There are two 75% here. So that's Luis Antonio Tagle and Suppi. Matteo Suppi. Let me just check here uh, on my pendulum if it moves or not. Let's see. If I ask, is Matteo Cardinal Suppi to be the next pope? So let me check. Okay, it says here, yes, Matteo Cardinal Suppi can be the next pope. How about Luis Antonio Tagle? Is he will be the next pope? It's yes still. So it's a tie. So thank you guys for watching. So the winner here is either Luis Antonio Tagle of the Philippines or Matteo Maria Suppi of Italy. Alright, thank you for watching guys, and see you on my next vlog.